Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the true problem practice questions which we have discussed in the Python operators class. So whatever we discuss about the Python operator class, let's go with the two assignment. So first assignment, the question is that read the two numbers from the keyboards and print the minimum value and max value, sum of the value and multiplication of the value, right? So in that case, three value we have to take from the keyboards, right? So what are the steps which we have to perform first? uh, okay, so first is to take three values from keyboards, right? This is the first step. Now print the minimum value, print the maximum value. Second is get and print the minimum value, right? This is the first requirement. Third requirement is get and print the max value, right? This one is the third requirement. And fourth steps is basically get the multiplication, sum and multiplication and print it, right? So there are four steps which we have to perform based on the problem statement. Now first step, to take the three values, I am going to perform the first steps. So first is take the three values. So a is going to be take in input, enter first number, right? This will take input from the users, right? And whatever the input we are getting from the user, that will be by default strings, right? So we have to convert it to the integer, because whatever calculation we are doing, that is based on the integer, correct? Similarly, similarly b value and c value, right? B value and C value, we have to take the second value and third value. We have to take the two number, right? Okay, two numbers. So in that case, two numbers, we can get the two numbers also, right? A and B, and both are the two numbers, correct? Now we have to get the max value, min value and sum of the value greater. First step is completed. Second step, to get the greater and print the minimum value. So minimum is equal to, we can use the ternary operator, right? So minimum value is a if a is less than b, right? Else b. You got my point? So a and b both are the numbers. If a is less than b, in that case a is the minimum value, right? A is the minimum value, so we are going to assign this value in this minimum, correct? Similarly, max value, maximum is equal to a if a is greater than b, else b. If a is greater than b, in that case a is the max value, otherwise b will be the max value, correct? And now we have to do the sum. Summation is equal to the a plus b, and multiplication is equal to the a multiplied by b, right? And in the last, we are going to be print the values. So sum comma summations, right? Sum comma summations, multiplication comma mult and slash n. We are using slash n so that we can print the each and every output in the new line, right? And minimum value and maximum value. So minimum value is comma min and slash n, maximum value will be the max, comma max. Got it? So this is the total overall structure of the, if I'm going to be run this piece of code, so it will ask a three two values which needs to be entered, right? So let's see. So first value it is asking, I'm going to enter the 3. Second value it is asking, I'm going to enter the 4. So it will tell you that sum is 7, multiplication is 3 multiplied by 4, minimum value is 3, max value is 4. Got it? This is the solution of the first problem statement. Now second problem statement. So write a program that will take input from the keyboards, okay, and print the length, okay, keyboards whatever you are taking, that is the length of the square, and then we have to print the area of the square of the shape. So first we have to take the length. So length is equal to the int input, enter the length, right? And then we are going to be print the shape, right? Area of the shape. So what is the area of the square? That is the length multiplied by length, right? So we are going to be print area of square is comma length 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 multiplied by length, that is the area. Now if I'm going to be run this piece of code, it will ask the length. If area length of the area square is 5, so then output will be the 25. The area of the square is 25. So I hope you understand how to take the input from the user, how we are going to calculate that based on that. All right. Yep. Thank you so much.